Welcome back to the Auto. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Hyundai Tucson N-Line, a sporty version of Hyundai's highly successful compact SUV. The Tucson has already established itself as one of the most attractive and technologically advanced SUVs in its segment, but the N-Line variant adds an extra layer of excitement with sportier styling, enhanced driving dynamics, premium features, and a more aggressive personality. If you've been searching for a family-friendly SUV that combines practicality with athletic design and modern technology, then the 2026 Hyundai Tucson N-Line deserves your attention. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you'll notice is the bold and aggressive styling. Hyundai has given the Tucson N-Line a unique front fascia featuring a larger blacked-out grille, sharper air intakes, exclusive N-Line badging, and sport-inspired accents that immediately distinguish it from the standard model. The LED headlights are sleek and futuristic, blending perfectly into the grille design and creating a sophisticated yet aggressive appearance. The sculpted hood lines add muscular character while improving aerodynamic efficiency. From the side profile, the Tucson N-Line showcases exclusive alloy wheels, body-colored side skirts, black trim elements, and a more athletic stance. The roof rails, sporty mirrors, and distinctive wheel designs help create a premium look that rivals much more expensive SUVs. Around the rear, you'll find a redesigned bumper, dual exhaust outlets, a roof spoiler, and unique N-Line styling details that complete the sporty appearance. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the premium atmosphere. Hyundai has carefully designed the cabin to balance sportiness and comfort. The N-Line seats feature premium upholstery with contrast stitching and embroidered N-Line logos, giving the interior a more exclusive feel. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, making long journeys enjoyable while providing enough bolstering for spirited driving. Soft-touch materials cover most of the cabin surfaces, and the build quality feels solid throughout. The dashboard is modern and driver-focused, with a clean layout that integrates technology seamlessly. The digital cockpit is one of the highlights of the 2026 Tucson N-Line. A large digital instrument cluster provides crisp graphics and customizable information displays. Drivers can monitor navigation, fuel economy, performance data, and safety information without taking their eyes off the road. The central infotainment screen is equally impressive, offering fast response times, intuitive controls, smartphone integration, navigation, wireless connectivity, and voice commands. Hyundai's user interface continues to be one of the best in the industry, providing a premium experience that competes with luxury brands. Performance is another area where the Tucson N-Line shines. Under the hood, Hyundai is expected to offer a turbocharged engine that delivers a strong balance of power and efficiency. Acceleration feels responsive, making city, driving, and highway merging effortless. The engine provides smooth power delivery while maintaining excellent fuel economy for daily use. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the Tucson N-Line delivers quick shifts and refined operation. Drivers can choose between multiple drive modes that adjust throttle response, steering feel, and transmission behavior. According to driving conditions and personal preferences, handling is noticeably sharper than the standard Tucson thanks to sport-tuned suspension settings. The N-Line model feels more planted during cornering while maintaining a comfortable ride for everyday driving. Steering is precise and well-weighted, giving drivers confidence whether they're navigating city streets or winding country roads. Hyundai has successfully created an SUV that feels engaging without sacrificing comfort. Ride quality remains impressive despite the sportier setup. The suspension absorbs road imperfections effectively while maintaining excellent body control. This balance makes the Tucson N-Line suitable for both long-distance travel and daily commuting. Noise insulation has also been improved, resulting in a quiet and refined cabin environment even at highway speeds. Safety remains a major focus for Hyundai. The 2026 Tucson N-Line is expected to include a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and highway driving assistance help enhance driver confidence and passenger protection. These systems work together to provide a safer and more relaxing driving experience. Practicality is one of the Tucson's greatest strengths. Despite its sporty character, the N-Line model retains the spacious interior and versatile cargo area that have made the Tucson so popular. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, while the cargo compartment offers plenty of space for luggage, groceries, sports equipment, and family gear. Fold the rear seats down, and the cargo capacity increases significantly, making the Tucson N-Line ideal for road trips and active lifestyles. Technology extends beyond The Tucson N-Line may feature wireless charging, premium audio systems, multiple USB ports, over-the-air software updates, ambient interior lighting, and advanced connectivity services. These features help create a modern driving environment that feels sophisticated and future-ready. One of the most appealing aspects of the Tucson N-Line is its value proposition. Buyers receive sporty styling, premium features, advanced safety technologies, modern connectivity, and impressive practicality without entering luxury brand pricing territory. This combination makes the Tucson N-Line one of the most compelling choices in the compact SUV segment. When compared to competitors such as the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, Kia Sportage, and Volkswagen the Tucson N-Line stands out thanks to its futuristic design, advanced technology, premium interior, and sporty personality. Hyundai continues to push the boundaries of what buyers can expect from mainstream SUVs, and the Tucson N-Line is a perfect example of that philosophy. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson N-Line successfully blends style, performance, comfort, technology, safety, and practicality into one attractive package. It offers everything modern SUV buyers are looking for, while adding a sporty edge that makes it more exciting than many of its rivals. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or simply someone who appreciates a well-designed vehicle, the Tucson N-Line delivers an outstanding ownership experience. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the 2026 Hyundai Tucson N-Line. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments whether you would choose the Tucson N-Line over its competitors. And we'll see you in the next video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.